Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. First off, a couple of clarification points. I realize that, sorry, nobody got rich here. The reason why the price is up so much is what is known as a reverse split. That's just a manipulation of the share structure. So all that means is that the share structure has changed, but unfortunately, everybody just now owns less shares, but those shares are worth more, so everything equals out. So that's why the chart looks different, and it all occurred. That's why it looks like this thing was just some sort of IPO today. But there's enough data here to get some key questions answered, and the main question revolves around the fact that very nice bounce from the lows. I mean, I think everybody would agree that from its low points right here to where it ultimately was able to work its way back up to, that was a nice move. Now, yes, of course, there's still work that needs to be done, but that's a nice step in the right direction. But it does bring about the more than valid question of, all right, yeah, that was a great move, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $16.50. Now, why is $16.50 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to $16.50, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what matters most. At this point, it's all about showing signs of progress. And again, in this situation, that quote-unquote progress point going to be right there at $16.50. In terms of areas of resistance, public enemy number one moving forward, you're going to be right up there at that $20 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But yeah, crazy, crazy movement. We'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.